Hey fam, Chef Lorious here. So glad you're with me in the Love Lab. Today we're making roasted Brussels sprouts with a balsamic and honey glaze. Let's get right to it. Here I've got 2 pounds of Brussels sprouts and I've already trimmed and cut them in half, as you can see. Okay, trim them by cutting the ends off and then just cut them in half. It's that simple. A lot of times you can even buy them already cut in half. And we're going to add olive oil to this, okay, about 1/4 cup or so, okay, and salt. And I'm using nice big sea salt flakes so we can really get good flavor on these. Okay, and now I'm going to just toss these in the olive oil. Maybe a little touch more. And we're going to put these on a baking sheet with the cut side down, okay? And that is important because that's how we're going to make sure we get them nice and crispy. We're going to start like that, cut side down. Our Brussels sprouts are all on our baking tray, cut side down. I'm going to sprinkle salt again. We're going to roast this in a 425-degree oven for a total of about 30 minutes. Halfway through that, we're going to take it out and stir it around so that everybody can get some equal love. All right, so let's go in the oven, 425 degrees. Okay, our sprouts have been in the oven for 15 minutes. I'm taking them out for a moment just to give these a toss. It's okay if some of them turn over on the other side now. Okay, and back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes until they're done. Well, here we are. Our Brussels sprouts are out of the oven. They were in for 35 minutes and look how beautiful and crisp they came out. Look at that. I'm so excited. Okay, we're going to toss these now in our balsamic and honey mixture. So what I have here is 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and I'm using just plain balsamic, but you can use a flavored balsamic if you want, anything. And I'm adding to that about 2 good tablespoons of honey because we don't want it to stay, sour like the balsamic by itself. We want to put some sweetness to it. I'm going to put these in a bowl and prepare to toss them. And you want to do this as quickly as you can once they get out of the oven. So now we're going to get to our balsamic and honey mixture, and we're going to pour this or drizzle this on it and toss our sprouts in it. You don't want to do too much though, because we want that crispness to remain. So see, start it there. Oh yeah. And I'll drizzle a little bit more. Okay, well let's try one, right? We gotta see how it tastes. Here's one. Oh my God, that is really good. Oh, put a little more. Oh my God. I'm telling you, that little kick from the vinegar, from the balsamic, mixed with the sweetness from the honey is everything. Let's put a couple more salt flakes on here just to help those flavors come out. Oh man, this is beautiful. All right, we're just gonna put this on a tray. And this is ready for the dinner table. How about that? Here we go. Oh, look. Oh, they're so beautiful. This is how you want to eat Brussels sprouts. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Well, thanks so much for joining me today. I will see you next time right back here in the Love Lab for more Calibama cooking with Chef Lorious. That's me. Happy cooking.